Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small towel, and a flathead screwdriver. Park your Accord on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prepares the arm for safe blade removal. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade meets the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire old blade assembly downwards, away from the arm. Once it's detached, carefully lower the wiper arm back to the windshield. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Finally, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your Honda Accord's windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades using the washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety, especially before rainy seasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.